Hi guys, welcome to Wellste Channel. Today, Wellste takes you to understand wood grain aluminum. Wood grain transfer refers to the principle of high temperature sublimation and thermal penetration based on powdering, coating, or electrophoresis. After heating and pressure, the wood grain pattern on the transfer paper is quickly transferred into the aluminum profile. Wellste has produced over 1,000 kinds of wood grain colors for different applications since 1996. And the most popular aluminum wood grain colors include oak, teak, walnut, white ash, Agarwood, pine, Sapele, Rosewood, Pearwood, Merbau, Aspen, Merbau, cherry, etc. Different texture can be made in each wood grain color, such as smooth texture, sand texture, high gloss, or matte finish. Wellste can also produce custom aluminum wood grain colors if you request. Now, let us understand aluminum wood grain transfer process. Step 1. The aluminum profiles are powder-coated or electrophoresed. Step 2. Choose wood grain paper to fix the aluminum and the interface to prevent loosening. Step 3. Use high-temperature resistance and seal plastic tape to cover and vacuum so that the plastic tape can effectively stick to the aluminum. Step 4. Baking time is adjusted according to the effect and the texture depth. Step 5. Take out the baked aluminum profiles, remove the heat transfer paper, and clean the surface. Wood grain transfer printing has many advantages. First, it is environmentally friendly. Second, the wood grain patterns are rich, which has a strong decorative effect. Third, it is easy to care for and clean. Fourth, it has good fire resistance, corrosion resistance, moisture resistance, and hardness are better than solid wood. Wellste high-quality raw materials and techniques effectively ensure the product surface has a longer service life. For more details, contact us now. Wellste will give you a better solution within 24 hours.